Join me as I dive into the astonishing discovery of 140 billion oceans located 12 billion light-years away, and see if we can wrap our heads around it. NASA has made a groundbreaking discovery that is changing our understanding of the universe. Imagine 140 billion oceans, each potentially teeming with life, located a staggering 12 billion light-years away. That's the daunting scale we're dealing with here, and it's going to take some serious brain power to comprehend. Astronomers have long faced the challenge of detecting and studying bodies of water at a distance. Water, as we know, is essential to life as we know it, so the discovery of vast oceans outside our solar system has huge implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. But how can we find oceans that are billions of light-years away? It's a monumental task that requires groundbreaking technology and innovative approaches to data analysis. Detecting distant oceans is further complicated by the fact that water absorbs and scatters light in ways that make it difficult to detect from afar. This means astronomers must rely on indirect methods, such as analyzing light reflected by nearby planets or stars, to infer the presence of water. It's a painstaking process that requires patience, persistence, and a healthy dose of scientific creativity. But what about false positives? How do we know we're not seeing things that don't exist? That's where advanced data analysis techniques come in. By carefully examining the data and applying rigorous statistical tests, scientists can separate the signal from the noise and confidently identify potential sites of ocean activity. It's a delicate balancing act between sensitivity and specificity, and one that requires a deep understanding of the underlying physics. NASA scientists have developed a range of sophisticated technologies to aid in the search for distant oceans. Space telescopes like Hubble and James Webb are equipped with advanced spectrographs that can detect the faint signal of water vapor in the atmospheres of distant planets. These instruments are able to analyze the light from stars and planets with unprecedented precision, allowing researchers to uncover the subtle signs of the presence of water. The process of analyzing data is nothing short of heroic. Researchers must develop custom algorithms capable of processing vast amounts of data, often in real time, to identify patterns and anomalies that could indicate ocean activity. It's a computational arms race, with scientists pushing the boundaries of what's possible to extract every last drop of information from the data. Behind every major scientific breakthrough is a team of determined researchers working tirelessly to push the boundaries of human knowledge. The moment of discovery is always exciting, and in this case, it's no exception. Imagine the excitement in the room when the data finally came in, revealing the presence of 140 billion oceans that had been hidden from plain sight. The implications of this discovery are profound. Are we alone in the universe, or is there life lurking in the depths of these distant oceans? The possibility is tantalizing, and it's exactly the kind of question that has driven humanity's exploration of the cosmos from the beginning. When we contemplate the vast expanse of the universe, we're reminded of how small we are, but how big our dreams can be. So what does it all mean? Simply put, the discovery of 140 billion oceans 12 billion light-years away is a momentous shift. It challenges our understanding of the universe and raises more questions than it answers. But that's what makes science so exciting: the unknown, the unexplored, and the unsolved. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the unknown. If you have any thoughts on this mind-blowing discovery, feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more space-related content, I've got just the thing for you. Check out our video on assembly theory. How do we find life on other planets?